Hi, this is Christina with WTI. Have you been looking for a mug that will keep your contents either really hot or really cold for hours? Well, then this is the mug for you. This is the 14-ounce YETI vacuum-insulated Rambler. And this is one of the best mugs for so many different reasons. So first off, it's vacuum insulated. So whatever you put in here will stay the temperature that you want it. You will not feel anything on the outside. It really keeps that temperature on the inside for hours. You could put hot coffee in here at 6 a.m. and it will still be hot by 2 or 3 p.m. in the afternoon. So it really does work when it comes to that. But it also has the slider top, which is super easy and convenient. I love that feature about this. It's just sliding up to open, slide down to close. I love that. But what's great about this too is for those of us that are accident prone and always spilling their coffee, this is a totally spill-proof mug. So you can turn it upside down, or you can drive over some bumpy roads in the morning like I do, and you never have it spill. So that's a great quality about this. It really stays protected, but it's super durable. I love the design of it. It's really, really nice looking. It's very attractive, and it comes in so many different colors. I got my favorite color. I love purple, but it comes in several different other options to match your personality, whatever you're into. This is a really cool mug. It's just very, very pretty, as you can see. But what I love is that it's great quality, it's super durable, and it looks like it's gonna last a long time based on what I've seen so far. So if you're looking for a good quality mug that's really worth your money, I suggest checking one of these out. But that's just my point of view.